Picture this, a chatbot that's highly detailed and harnesses the power of advanced artificial intelligence, which functions flawlessly with integrations and allows businesses to manage their leads easily. This chatbot go way beyond your typical YouTube tutorial chatbot, and this is as good as it can get in 2024. In this tutorial, I'm not just going to show you how to build a chatbot. I am going to guide you through the creation of an appointment setting chatbot that mirrors this powerhouse. I know that you'll gain inspiration for your own builds while witnessing how I make this chatbot come to life. Watch this video until the end because you don't want to miss what is coming. So this chatbot is once again an imaginary chatbot for an imaginary digital marketing agency called Digital Growth Wizards. And this is going to be a booking chatbot, which is going to be like a mix of my customer support chatbot, which I have made previously and showcased here on the channel, and also my previous appointment setting chatbot. So I'm going to do integrations and a support part. So without further ado, let's start bot building. So coming inside of Botpress, I'm just going to start with a simple introduction card where we welcome the user. So I'm going to select just a basic text card and I'm going to say, welcome to Digital Growth Wizards. I am your assistant and I am here to help you. And I am here to help you. So I want to start with a hub. So after the introduction message, where the user can choose if they want to ask questions or if they want to proceed to the booking part immediately. So I'm just going to ask the user what would you like assistance with? Grammarly. And we have two options. Ask a question or book a call. And we will turn off the knowledge base. So we're going to start with the asking a question part. So this is going to be our support part within the chatbot. So I'm going to go to this node where I will name questions node, and I will add a basic text card and say, okay, you need help with a question. And then I'm adding a raw input card and I'm typing in here, what would you like to know? And I'm going to create a new variable called user underscore question and creating the variable. So here we have our question variable where we have stored the user question. Sorry, we can just leave this on and then we can add two expressions. So the first expression is going to be if the bot don't have an answer, so don't know. And the condition for this is going to be turn.knowledgeagent.responded. And this is going to go to our fallback, which we are going to add now. So we're connecting these two and naming this fallback. So here we're just adding a basic text card. Unfortunately, I did not have an answer to your question. And we're going to create a new node where we're going to connect both of these nodes. And this is going to be a loop node. So we're going to loop inside of here, and we're going to add a raw input card where we'll add a choice where we are going to ask the user if they can proceed if they want to press this button. So proceed within the bot, or proceed. So now we're going to say to the user, you can ask another question or press the proceed button to proceed within the chatbot. And we are now going to turn this off, and we're going to store the result inside of this variable again. And now we're going to add a query knowledge agent card, and we're going to just input this variable. So workflow dot user underscore question, and we're going to add an AI task card with the instructions for the loop. So I have my task instructions here, and this is the exact same instruction which I have used previously in another video. So you can just paste this into your own chatbot, and we're good to go. And inside of the input, we're going to add the user question, which is at workflow.userQuestion, and we're going to add the knowledge agent answer, which is like this, and then turn dot knowledge agent dot answer, and also the previous user message, which is event dot preview, and also the transcript for the conversation, and that is found within the conversation dot summary agent dot transcript. So there we have the AI task, and now we just have to store the result within a new variable, which we're going to call AI underscore answer, and make sure that it's a string, and just save it and add it. So now we can just select a text card and put the AI answer within the text card, and we can drag this to the loop. And for the loop, we're going to connect this proceed option to the first node of the book a call section, which we're going to build now. So now we're going to add the part where we can book a call. So I'm just going to add a standard node, and I'm going to drag the book a call feature to the node, and I'm going to drag the proceed back to the hub. So for book a call, I'm going to name this booking underscore start, and I'm going to say to the user, excellent, to book a call with us, you first need to answer some questions. And we're going to create a new node. So we're going to start with the questions. So we're firstly going to ask for the full name of the user. So we're going to add a person name card, and we're going to ask, please tell me your full name. And we're going to store the result inside of the user underscore name variable, which we create, and we're going to drag to a new node, and we're going to add the email. So we're going to select the email address, and we're going to say thank you. Thank you. Now what is your email address? And we're going to turn this off and store the result in user underscore email. And we're going to create a new node again. And we're going to add the user phone number. Find the phone number information card and say, lastly, what is your phone number? And we're going to store the result inside of the variable called user underscore phone. So there we have our question or capturing information cards complete. And now we're going to create the booking node. So we're adding a new node and we're connecting these two, and I'm going to name this booking. So now we're going to link our Calendly to our Botpress. So we're going to add the card, the card, and we're going to say in the title, book a call here. And we're going to say Calendly link, and we will just add the action buttons, and we will name this booking, and we're just pasting our Calendly link inside of this button. So there we have the booking complete, and we're going to add an execute code card so we can store all of these variables inside of a spreadsheet for lead management. So we're going to go into this execute code card, and we're going to ask Botpress to edit code. So we're going to ask create a webhook to make.com, which includes the variables user underscore name, user underscore email, and user underscore phone. So here we have the code, so we can just accept the changes by pressing this blue button here and close this. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to make.com. So when we're inside of our make.com scenarios, we can just create a new scenario, and we can place this plus button here and search for webhooks. So just select the webhooks, and we will create a custom webhook, and we can add a new hook, and I will name this my gateway webhook, which is the standard one, and we can press save, and then we will need to copy the address, and we will go into our Botpress with our code, and we are going to paste in our code inside of here, and we can close this and go into back to make, and we can press OK. And now we will add another module, and we are going to search for Google Sheets. And just add the Google Sheets, and we are going to add a row at the bottom of the table. And I'm going to go into my sheet, and I'm going to add my variables here. So person name, and I'm adding email address, and also phone number. And I'm choosing my drive inside of make.com, and I'm going to click on choose file, and I'm going to go to my spreadsheet, which is called booking something. And we are going to select sheet 1, and table contains header. Make sure that this is yes, and we're going to leave this for now. We can press OK. So now we're just going to redetermine the data structure. So just press this, and we're going to go into our chatbot, and we're going to just go through these questions so Make can do its thing. So I'm starting conversation, and I'm going to book a call, and my name is John Lennon, as usual, and my email address is john@lennon.com, and my phone number is 12345678890. So now you can see my Calendly link is here, and also the code was posted to make.com. So we can go into make.com, and it was successfully determined. So now we can go back to our Google Sheets, and we can add my variables inside of here. So first the first name, and then the last name under the person name, the email under the email address, and also the phone number under the C here, but it is phone number. So just press OK. So now I think we have our integration complete, so we can just press run once, and we will try this one again. So hi, book a call, my name is John Lennon, and my email is john@lennon.com, and my phone number was 12345678890. So now we can go into our Google Sheets, and we can see that their information has been filled in. And we can also try the Calendly link. So if we press on our booking, you can see that we come into my Calendly, so where I can book a call for a certain time. So our chatbot is almost complete. We just have some minor details that I want to fix before we finish this video. So firstly, in this single choice, I want to add an exit choice, so we can just exit from this hub. So exit, and we will just drag this to the end. But I also want to add a confirmation node that for the booking. So I'm just going to add a text card where I will say, thank you for booking a call with us. We look forward to meeting you. We look forward to meeting you. And now we're at shit, my throat is really messed up. I need to go and grab some water, because as you can see, it's empty. So I'm gonna just go grab water, and I'm gonna be right back at you. So I think that I fixed my voice now finally, after some food and some drinks, non-alcoholic drinks, water, but I'm just going to add here a single choice card where I'm going to ask, do you want to exit or go back to the hub? And I'm turning this off, and I'm adding two different items. First one, to the hub or exit. So we're just connecting these two nodes, dragging this towards the hub, and then I'm just going to add a standard node here, and I'm just adding I'm disconnecting these two, by the way, and I'm adding and in this node I'm adding just an outro card where I will say, okay, thank you so much. Okay, I hope that I will see you again soon. Take care. Take care. And I'm connecting the exit to this node, and I'm connecting this exit to this node as well. And I'm naming this outro, and then I'm dragging this towards the end. So yeah, there we have our booking bot complete. And the only thing left to do is testing. Hi. Ask a question. What would you like to know? What do you guys do at your agency? So what do you guys do at your agency? And we have a long ass answer here. At our agency, digital growth wizard with specialized in full suits. Yeah. You can ask another question or press the proceed button to proceed within the chatbot. So now we're inside of the loop. And I'm going to ask another question. So tell me more about your web designs. So here was the designs for the web design, and we can press proceed, and we can come inside of this hub again, and we can press book a call, and tell me your full name. So John Lennon, john@lennon.com, and phone number. And we have already seen that this all is working. So we can press to the hub to go back to the hub or exit. So I'm just going to exit the bot, and there we have our chatbot is fully functioning. What I want to tell you guys is that this chatbot is just something that I made up for the sake of this video. If you want to, you can add how much you would like to do. So this chatbot has no limits whatsoever. So you can just add something that you like, or you can delete something that you don't like. And feel free to use this. I will leave a template to this in my Discord server. And you can find my Discord server in the link inside of the description down below. So make sure to check that out. But I also forgot to tell you all that after you have done your make integration, you have to press this button. You have to press this button right here to turn the integration on. So if you press this, and you can see it's on, then it will work all the time. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure that you like it and comment what you want to see next, because I promise you I have some really interesting and useful videos for you all planned and coming up within the next few weeks. But until next time, take care and enjoy your bot building and chatbot development. Peace.